You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name in English, but also in German. This is famous for being the name of a famous Swiss physician and biologist, and he was from a German-speaking part of Switzerland, so the German pronunciation is as Miescher. Miescher. In English, it's pronounced similarly, Miescher, not Miescher, Miescher. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.